Welcome to Dr. PAMLI's channel. In today's video, we'll be diving into the amazing benefits of ginger tea, a warm and comforting beverage with a wealth of health benefits. Ginger has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and today we have scientific insights into why it is so powerful. So grab a cup of tea and let's explore why ginger tea is so beneficial for your health. Stay tuned. Ginger tea is made by boiling fresh or dried ginger root into water, releasing its active component into the tea. It's simple to make, yet it packs a punch when it comes to health benefits. Whether you drink to ease digestion, fight inflammation, or boost your immunity, ginger tea offers something for everyone. One of the most well-known benefits of ginger tea is its ability to reduce inflammation. Ginger contains powerful compounds called gingerols and chagols. These components help reduce inflammation at the cellular level by inhibiting inflammatory molecules in our bodies. This is especially beneficial for people with chronic inflammation issues such as arthritis, as it may reduce pain and improve mobility. Now, let's take a closer look at the specific antioxidants in ginger tea that make it so powerful. Number one, we have gingerol, especially 6-gingerol. Is the main bioactive compound in fresh ginger and has significant antioxidant properties. It only fights inflammation but also reduces oxidative stress, protecting our cells from damage. This component is most abundant in fresh ginger root. So if you want the full benefit, try making ginger tea from fresh ginger. Number two is chagol. When ginger is dried or cooked, gingerol transforms into chagol. Chagol is known to be even more potent than gingerol in terms of oxidant effects. This makes dried ginger an excellent option for tea, as it has high levels of chagol that can help fight free radicals. Number three, zingeron. Another antioxidant compound in ginger is zingeron, which is found when ginger is cooked. Zingeron not only contributes to the spicy, warm taste of ginger, but also provides strong antioxidant effect, helping to further combat oxidative stress in our body. Number four is paradols. Paradols are another class of compound in ginger similar to gingerol and chagol that act as antioxidant. They help to protect cells from oxidative damage and have been shown to have protective effect against certain types of cancer in laboratory studies. Last but not least are flavonoids that ginger also contains these, which are all well-known antioxidants found in many plants. Flavonoids help reduce the risk of chronic diseases by protecting cells from oxidative damage and supporting heart health. Ginger tea is highly effective for digestive health. It can help relieve indigestion, bloating, and nausea. Ginger active component, especially gingerol, stimulate the digestive system, allowing food to move more smoothly through the gastrointestinal tract. This is why ginger tea is often recommended for people with digestive discomfort or nausea, including motion sickness and morning sickness during pregnancy. Ginger tea also offers a natural boost to immune system. The antioxidant in ginger tea, particularly gingerol and chagol, help the body fight off harmful pathogens and reduce the risk of infections. Additionally, ginger warming effect can relieve symptoms of common cold such as congestion and sore throat. Drinking ginger tea may also help with pain relief, especially when it comes to muscle soreness and menstrual cramps. Studies have shown that ginger anti-inflammatory properties can reduce the severity of pain associated with exercise and menstrual discomfort. So, if you are dealing with cramps or muscle aches, a cup of ginger tea might just do the trick. Ginger tea may benefit heart health as well. Some studies have suggested that ginger can help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. These effects, combined with ginger antioxidant benefit, may reduce the risk of heart disease. Additionally, ginger has been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels, making it a good choice for people managing diabetes. Ginger tea may support weight management. Studies suggest that ginger can increase metabolism and reduce appetite, which may help with weight loss. The compound in ginger encourages the body to burn fat more efficiently. So drinking ginger tea regularly may aid in your weight management journey. Making ginger tea is easy and customizable, and here is a simple recipe. Start by peeling and slicing 1 to 2 inches of fresh ginger root, and then boil in water for 5 to 10 minutes to release its flavors and beneficial compounds that we have talked about. And this one may be optional. You may add a slice of lemon and a bit of honey for extra taste and health benefit. Enjoy your ginger tea and stay healthy. So there you have it, a comprehensive look at the benefit of ginger tea, from fighting inflammation and oxidative stress to supporting heart health. Ginger tea is an incredibly beneficial addition to your daily routine. However, as always, remember to consult with your healthcare provider if you are taking medication or you have underlying health condition, as ginger can interact with some drugs. That one you can consult and know more about it. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for health and wellness tips. Let us know in the comment section whether you are happy or you are not happy with what we do. Hit the notification bell for more videos that we'll post. And if you are interested to know how to make green tea, also click that link about green tea that appears in this video and enjoy both your ginger and green tea. Muchas gracias.